Let's assume now that the price of a particular crypto is $1. Yes, and you set your prices between 50 cents and $1.5. Now, when the price goes below $1, it will buy. And when it rises above $1, it will sell. It's going to continue buying. Even when it drops to 0.5, it will buy. 0.7, it will buy. 0.8, it will buy. But whenever it goes below 0.5, it will stop buying. And then when it goes above 1.0, it sells. Yes, but whenever it crosses 1.5, it will stop selling. The max investment, if you want to, okay, so let's put it 50. Yes, I want it 50. Yes, and then you can work. I will now click on what? Create bot. Now, let me create this and click on confirm. Yes, guys, you see yourself making profit. If you click on, of course, if you click on running, just like I said before on the phone, you see it. 0.08 already percent made. So just leave this to run, guys, and you'll see yourself in profit. My name is Waterfred1, and today, guys, I'll be teaching you how to make money with the Kucoin trading bot. In case you don't know what a Kucoin trading bot is, the trading bot helps you earn passive income online by trading cryptocurrencies for you using artificial intelligence, whereby you don't have to use your own human emotions to trade the cryptos, but rather leaving your decisions to be made by the bot. Now, this bot has been making profits on a consistent basis, and of course, you know that Kucoin is a reliable platform. For your information, 1 out of every 4 persons holding cryptocurrencies in the whole world is holding it with Kucoin, because they already have more than 10 million registered users from all around the world. So without talking much, join me and let me show you how you can make unlimited passive income by using the Kucoin trading bots. I would recommend you watch this video to the end to understand how I applied the strategies and everything I did on this video, so you don't miss a step. Today, guys, I'll be teaching you how to use the Kucoin trading bots to make money. So, but before we do that, before we dive into the different trading bots and how you're going to earn income with these trading bots, I would like to show you how to quickly deposit money on Kucoin. If you want to deposit money on Kucoin, it is just as simple as clicking on deposit right here. When you click on deposit, you can do this right on phone and laptop, and you see just 2 options. You can see you can deposit via crypto deposit, or fiat deposit. So crypto deposit is just as simple as selecting any coin that you want. Let's say USDT or Bitcoin or anyone. Let's say, for example, you want to deposit USDT. You select USDT here, then you select the network that you want to use, the network. Let's say TRC20, your address here, and you can copy it here, and then you send money to this place. You can as well decide to deposit via fiat. If you click again on deposit, you see deposit crypto here, and you see deposit fiat here. Now, fiat currency is just like the NGN, the euro, the US dollar, or any other currency that you wish to deposit. If you click on this fiat here, you see several options, several currencies that you can deposit into. You can use and deposit. Now, even the naira is here. If you see the naira, you can use bank card and make deposits. But of course, guys, you know what's going on with the Central Bank of Nigeria, so I don't recommend you use any naira card or any card that is issued by a Nigerian bank to make deposit on Kucoin or any other cryptocurrency platform. You can use a virtual card that is in your name, that is not actually a Nigerian card, that has another billing address that is not a Nigerian card to avoid issues with the CBN. Or you can use any other currencies here that you have the card, any other currency, USD, Euro, or any other currency to make your deposits, and you're going to have your money on Kucoin in less than 5 minutes. So right now, let's head straight to the trading bots.
Asọwa ụsọ anyị ewepụ aghụghọ nwanne, asị ma asọwa ụsọ anyị ewepụ aghụghọ nwanne, ma site n'aha Chineke ekpere ga-eme o, site n'aha Jizọs na ihe kwuru ga-eme o. Anyị kwere ekwe o, anyị kwere ekwe o, papa bụ kwere ekwe o, mama bụ kwere ekwe o, anyị kwere ekwe o na ajọ ihe ga na-ana o.
So for you to set up a bot, the first thing you have to do is to move your assets from your main account to your trading account. Yes, if it's in your main account, you can't invest with it, you can't get the bot with it, so you have to transfer it at 0 fees to your trading account. So it's just as simple as clicking on transfer, and then you select the direction of the transfer from main account to your trading account. You select the amount of USDT by clicking here, and then you click on confirm. Then you will see that your money is now inside your trading account. So what you are just going to do now is to come here and click on trade. You click on trading bots. Now, when you come to trading bots, you see spot grid, you see futures grid, you see smart rebalance, DCA, infinity grid. If we start going through all of this, we may waste a lot of time on this video and it will be too long. So I'm going to go directly and tell you the ones that most experts or most people who know what they're doing use on this platform. And it is what? The spot grid or the DCA. Now, I will explain the both of them for you. The spot grid bot is very good for volatile markets. And on this grid, when you click on create bot, this grid will actually let you trade between two price ranges. Yes. Now, let me explain this for you a little bit before we create the bot. Let's assume now that the price of a particular crypto is $1. Yes, and you set your prices between 50 cents and $1.5. Now, when the price goes below $1, it will buy. And when it rises above $1, it will sell. It's going to continue buying. Even when it drops to 0.5, it will buy. 0.7, it will buy. 0.8, it will buy. But whenever it goes below 0.5, it will stop buying. And then when it goes above 1.0, it sells. Yes, but whenever it crosses 1.5, it will stop selling. So that is exactly what this spot grid is. And sometimes you may lose out on a lot of crypto movements. For example, whenever there is a huge pump in crypto, you may not be able to benefit from that huge pump that the crypto made. So, and then one other thing about this spot grid is you pay a fee each time the bot buys and sells, you pay a fee. But although on Kucoin, the fee is shown. And in as much as you may miss out in very big booms, that's how you will still be saved from a lot of crashes. If a crypto dips so much or goes in the opposite direction, of course, your loss will be limited. To set this up now, you just stay in this spot grid. When you click on spot grid, you stay in auto. I recommend auto. Yes, don't in this customizer, unless we know what you are doing, don't just mess with it. But if you stay in auto, what you just have to do is to come here and select the crypto that you want. Yes, I recommend the ones that has very high volatility, like something like this. When you select this MBOX/USDT, you can select the crypto you want from around here. You can see USDT, BTC, any pair you want. Let's say we start USDT. You just select the one that has very high volatility rate, like this guy. You just select it, and then you put the amount, or you see the minimum is 138 USDT that you can invest, and then as simple as what you just create what you just click on create bot. But I prefer using this DCA. This DCA is a kind of bot that makes use of what is called dollar cost averaging. Yes, if you look at this chart right here, you will see that the bot is actually going to buy at different prices. Now, if you want to invest, say, $1,000 on this bot, you will tell it instead of buying at once, let it buy $10 at different prices. Now, each time you purchase a crypto, you may risk buying it when it is low or when it is at the peak here. Now, to reduce that risk of buying at an extreme high rate, what you're going to do is to buy at different points, of movement. That way, you see that the average price, when it moves up, you are likely to make profit. Now, what you're going to do now is when you come to this place, you just tell it that you want to invest you select the day or the hours you want to invest. You now say 1 day. So every single day, this bot will purchase the pair of the currency that you wanted to buy at the price that you set. Yes, and then first investment can be now. Then you put the amount. Let's say you want to be buying 10 USDT. So each day, this bot is going to purchase cryptocurrency worth of 10 USDT, each day 10 USDT, until it exhausts the USDT you have in your wallet, or until it gets to the amount that you set for it to stop. And then the max investment, if you want to, okay, so let's put it 50. Yes, I want it 50. Yes, and then you can I will now click on what? Create bot. You see the target profit is what? 10%. The target profit is what? 10%. You can now what? Create bot. Now let me create this and click on confirm. Yes, you will now see that what? Running DCA. Yes, the bot is now what? Running. Now, please don't be in a hurry when you do this. Sometimes you see that this thing is what? Reading red. You can't leave this for 1 day or 2 days or 1 hour and you expect profit. Of course, you're not going to be in loss after the long term. Yes, just leave this to run. Just leave it to run between 7 days. At least leave it for a week or 30 days. You definitely see your profit. Now, if you check back now, you will see that our investment has now turned green. You see it has performed just one transaction and you see that it has now turned green. Yes, it's already made plus 0.07%. So you just have to let this bot run. You don't have to be in a hurry. Let this bot run. Let it run. Yes, when you let it run at least 7 days, 1 week, you see yourself making making profit. Yes, guys, you see yourself making profit. If you click on, of course, if you click on running, just like I said before on the phone, you see it 0.08 already percent made. So just leave this to run, guys, and you'll see yourself in profit. And basically that is how it works. And remember that this same thing can be done on your phone. Yes, it can be done on your phone. Let's switch over the phone right now. Yes, when you click on trading bots, when you log into your phone, you will see exactly the same thing that I talked about: the sports grid, the features grid, the smart rebalance, the infinity grid, and the DCA.
If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you don't enjoy this one, smash dislike twice so I will be very sure. And then tell me why in the comment section. And please share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms, so that other people too will learn these passive ways that will make money online. Thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. Peace.